In the last lecture, we discussed combination of and different things. In this lecture, we are discussing problems based on last lecture. So first problem of this lecture is a person tried to form as many different parties as he can out of 20 friends. Each party should consist of the same number. How many friends should be invited at a time? In how many of these parties would the same friend be found? Okay, so there are two problems. Now we are solving this one. Okay, according to problems, a person tried to form as many different parties as he can out of 20 friends. So there are 20 friends. Okay, each party should consist of same number. That means in every party we should have same number of members. Okay, so suppose in every party we have R member. Okay, now out of 20 friends you have to select R friend because you want R member party. Okay, so that is 20C R. Out of 20 friends you are selecting R friends. Okay, R value will be what? 1, 2, 3 and so on 20. Okay, so if R is what? 1. Okay, so how many party he can form of one member? That is 20C 1. Okay, and how many parties he can form of two member? That is 20C 2. Okay, similarly, how many parties he can form of three member? That is 20C 3 and so on. If you want all the 20 member in a party, so how many parties he can form? 20C 20. But we want a person try to form as many different parties as he can. That means here we want maximum number of parties. So in this one, among these one, which one is maximum? Okay, so 20CR is maximum if R is what? 10. That we have done in binomial. Okay, so if R is 10, so we'll get maximum number of parties. So that is 20C 10. Okay, so 10 member parties will be the maximum. Okay, and second part is what? In how many of these parties would the same friend be found? Okay, so R is what? 10. Okay, so there are 20 members and R is what? 10. Okay, so out of 20 members you have to select 10 members. Okay, now here one friend is always there. Okay, because we want in how many of these parties would the same friend be found. Okay, so that means one particular friend is coming out and going here. Okay, so remaining how many we want? R equal to 10 minus 1, that is 9 he want. Okay, and here how many remaining? 20 minus 1, that is 19. Okay, from 19 members you have to select 9 members, so that is nothing but 19C 9. Okay, so in these many parties one member will be always there, one particular member is always there, so that is answer for second one. Next problem is how many different selection of 6 books can be made from 11 different books if, okay, here we have three part. First part is 2 particular books are always selected. Second part is 2 particular books are never selected. And third part is what? 3 particular books are never together. Okay, so we are solving these 3 problems. First problem solution. Okay, so first we are solving first part. Okay, first part is what? 2 particular books are always selected. Okay, so these 3 problems we are solving in fully method. Okay, after that we'll use direct formula. Okay, so first part, how to solve? Okay, there are 11 books. Okay, out of 11 books we require 6 books, so we have to select 6 books. Okay, in such a way that 2 particular books are always selected. Okay, so that means from these 11 books we will take out 2 particular books. Okay, and these 2 particular books is always selected here. Okay, so directly these 2 books will come here. Okay, now out of 6 books 2 books came here, so remaining is what? 4 books. Okay, so remaining we required 4 books. Okay, and here remaining is what? 11 minus 2, that is 9. Okay, so from here out of 9 books we have to select 4 books, so total is what? 9C 4. Okay, that is first part. Next we will solve second part. Second part is what? 2 particular books are never selected. Okay, second part is we have to select 6 books out of 11 books in such a way that 2 particular books are never selected. That means we will take out 2 particular books and these 2 particular books should not come here. That means we will send them outside. Okay, so remaining is what? 11 minus 2. that is 9. Remaining is what? 9 books. Okay, and we required 6 books. So out of 9 books, you have to select 6 books. So total way is what? 9C6. That is answer for second question. Okay, now we are solving third part. According to third part, we want 3 particular books are never together. Okay, so total books what? 11. Out of 11 books, we have to select 6 books in such a way that 3 particular books are never together. Okay, so out of 3 particular books, if 2 particular books are there, that is okay, but we don't want all 3 books should be there. So what you will do, from total ways, we have to subtract number of ways where all 3 books are together. Okay, all 3 particular books are together. So total way is what? Out of 11 books, you have to select 6 books. That is 11C6 minus, we have to subtract number of ways where all 3 books are together. Okay, so out of 11 books, we are taking 3 books, 3 particular books outside. Okay, and these 3 particular books will come here. Okay, so how much required now? That is 6 minus 3. 3 more is required. Okay, and remaining is what? 11 minus 3. That is 8. So out of 8 books, we have to select 3 books. Okay, so what will come? 8C3. So answer is what? 11C6 minus 8C3. This is your answer. Next problem is, Sham has 10 friends. In how many ways he invite one or more of them to dinner? Okay, this problem we want to solve. Okay, according to problems, Sham has 10 friends. In how many ways he invite one or more of them to dinner? Okay, so Sham can invite one friend also. Okay, so he can invite one friend also, or he can invite 2 friends also, or he can invite 3 friends also, or he can invite all the friends also. Okay, so we have to find a total number of ways that he can invite one or more of them to dinner. Okay, suppose he is inviting one friend only. Okay, so he has to select one friend out of 10 friends. So selection of one friend out of 10 friend is what? 10C1. Okay, plus, okay, he can invite 2 friends also. Okay, that means he has to select 2 friends out of 10 friends, so that is 10C2. Okay, similarly for 3 also 10C3, plus so on. Suppose he is inviting 10 members, so 10C10. Okay, now here if you add 10C0 and subtract 10C0, okay, and we know this summation is what? 2 power 10 minus 10C0 is what? 1. Okay, so 2 power 10 is what? 1024 minus 1. So what is the answer? 1023. So total is what? 1023. Next problem is, there are 3 books, all are distinct, of physics, 4 of chemistry and 5 of maths. How many different collections can be made such that each collection consists of, okay, we have 3 problems. First problem is what? 1 book of each subject. Second is what? At least 1 book of each subject. And third is what? At least 1 book of maths. Okay, so we have 3 problems. Now we are solving this one. Okay, according to problem, we have 3 distinct book of physics. Okay, so physics we have 3 books. Okay, chemistry we have 4 books. Okay, chemistry we have 4 distinct books. In maths we have 5 books. Okay, so maths we have 5 distinct books. Okay, all are distinct. Okay, now according to first problem, we want 1 book of each subject. Okay, so first problem we are solving. Okay, in this one we want 1 book of each subject. That means from physics you are selecting 1 book, so that is 3C1. Task is over? No, you have to select chemistry and maths also, so you have to multiply here. Okay, so from chemistry also we have to select 1 book, so 4C1, again multiplication. Similarly from maths also we have to select 1 book, so that is 5C1. Okay, so that is first question answer. Okay, next question is what? At least 1 book of each subject. Okay, now we are solving second one. At least 1 book of each subject. Okay, so suppose you are selecting from physics. Okay, so at least 1 book. So you can select one book also, you can select two book also, you can select three book also. So what you do, total is what, 2 power 3 minus selecting exactly 0 books. Okay, so from physics you have to select exactly 0 book of physics, so that is 3C 0. Okay, task is over. No, you have to select from chemistry also and maths also. So what you have to use, multiplication. Okay, in bracket, selecting at least one book of each subject. That means from chemistry also we have to select at least one book. Okay, so total is what, 2 power 4 minus selecting exactly 0 book of chemistry, so that is 4C 0. Okay, again multiplication. From maths also we have to select at least one book. Okay, so total is what, 2 power 5 minus selecting 0 book of maths, so that is 5C 0. Okay, so what will come, 2 power 3 is what, 8 minus 1 into 2 power 4 is what, 16 minus 1, and 2 power 5 is what, 32. So 32 minus 1. This is your answer. Okay, now we are solving third part. Okay, in third part we want at least one book of maths. Okay, so according to third part we want at least one book of maths. That means from 5 books of maths you have to select at least one book. So what you will do, total is what, 2 power 5 minus selecting exactly 0 books of maths, so that is 5C 0. Okay, so remaining is what, physics is what, 3, and chemistry is what, 4. Okay, so there is no condition, so total book is what, 4 plus 3 7. Okay, so out of 7 books we can select any number of books. Okay, so we can select 0 books also, we can select 1 book also, we can select 2 books also, and we can select all the 7 books also, so that is 2 power 7. Okay, there is no condition in physics and chemistry, so we will take total books, 4 plus 3, that is 7. So what is the answer, 2 power 5 minus 5C0 into 2 power 7. So what will come, 2 power 5 minus 5C0 is what, 1 into 2 power 7, that is your answer.